In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chat app in Firebase Studio with Prototype AI. By the end, you'll have a working prototype backed by a clean Firestore data model, ready for iteration without writing any code up front. We'll start inside Firebase Studio and spin up a new prototype. Choose the option to build with Prototype AI so the assistant can scaffold your data and screens. Give the project a clear name, select Firestore for data, and keep your goal in mind, a lightweight, scalable chat experience that's easy to query and maintain. Next, we'll guide the assistant with a focused prompt. Paste something like, use two top-level collections, one for users and one for chats, and then store messages as a sub-collection under each chat. In the users collection, each document represents a single user keyed by their user ID. Keep the fields straightforward and query-friendly, like a display name, a photo URL, and a last seen timestamp. Keep any heavy or rarely used data elsewhere so your user fetches stay lightweight. This gives Prototype AI a clear structure and performance goals from the start. After you submit the prompt, the assistant will propose a data schema and basic screens. Review what it suggests. You should see a users collection with compact fields that load quickly, a chats collection to represent conversations, and a messages subcollection under each chat that can scale independently. This hierarchy keeps reads targeted. You fetch just the user list or chat list when needed, and only the relevant messages when a chat opens. Confirm that the user document uses the user's ID as the key, and that the fields are simple and index-friendly. For example, a display name and photo URL help you render lists fast, while a last seen timestamp supports sorting and presence features. Any bulky or infrequently accessed data like large bios or archives should live elsewhere so it doesn't slow the main flow. When you're satisfied, click to create the prototype. Use the preview to start a chat, send a few sample messages, and watch data stream into the correct collections. Verify that messages nest under the right chat and that user fetches feel snappy. If something isn't quite right, refine the prompt with small adjustments and regenerate. Consistent field names, server timestamps, and clear participant references will save you time later. That's it. Your chat app prototype is live, cleanly modeled, and ready for future rules, indexing, and UI polish.